subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of my videos. So let's start with light warm up and stretchings. First we start with stretching, side to side 4 times. Side to side. Reach your arms. Okay, change. Next with both hands, side to side. This also 4 times. Okay, change. Next, open your legs and bend forward, reach and come back. Bend forward, reach and come back. Bend forward, reach and come back. 4 times. Okay, change. Next, hold your legs and relax. Next leg and relax. Next leg and relax. 4 times each exercise. Okay, relax. Next, bring one leg forward, slightly sit on the left leg and go and touch and come back. 2. This also 4 times. Okay, leg change. 1. 3 and 4. Okay, let's start the exercise with small high knee. Okay, each exercise 20 seconds and 10 seconds recovery. Relax, 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 relax. Each exercise 2 times. Okay, once more. You are happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Swing your arms. Okay, relax. Okay. Swing your arms. Okay, relax. Okay. Next exercise. Single leg butt kick. Okay. This also 20 seconds. Okay, very good, very good. Relax, relax. 10 seconds. Same once more. Very good, very good. Very nice hand. Okay, relax. Relax. 10 seconds. Okay. Next exercise. Continuous back kicking. Okay, start. 1, 2. This also 20 seconds. Come a little forward. Relax, relax. 10 seconds recovery. Okay. Shake your legs and hands. Okay. Next, go for second set. Ready, start. Okay, relax. Okay, 30 seconds recovery. Go for water break. Very good. Very good, very good. So, this exercise is very helpful for the improvement of our fitness level. So, this exercise can be done according to your body condition. 3 or 4 sets you can do. Okay. Next exercise with jumping jacks. This also, each exercise is 20 seconds. Relax. Relax. Ten seconds recovery. Okay. Let's start the second set. Raise your arms. Very good. Relax. Okay. Relax. 10 seconds recovery. Relax, relax, relax. 20 seconds. Touch your heels. Very good, very good. Last 4 seconds. Relax, 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 relax. 10 seconds recovery. Very good. Once more. Once more. Start. Very good. Very good. Touch your heels. Slightly fast. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Use your arms. Very good. Very good. Very good. Last 5 seconds. Very good. Very good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Very good. Very good. Relax. 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 10 seconds recovery. Okay, next exercise, ski hop with single leg. Okay, ready, start. Very good. Shift, shift, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, very good. Side to side, very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Side to side, very good. Very good. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax, relax. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. And very good, Austin. 10 seconds recovery. Ready? Second set. Ready, start. Start. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Last 5 seconds. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax. Shake your legs, shake your legs, shake your legs, shake your hands, shake your hands. Okay. Okay. Next exercise is tapping towards the ground fastly. Let's start. Fast. Very good, very good, very good. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very good, very good. 10 seconds recovery. 10 seconds recovery. Very good. Very good. Once more. Come on. Ready? Position. Start. Speed. Next exercise is burpee jump with 10 repetitions. Okay. Let's start the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, 9, and 10. Relax. 10 seconds recovery. 10 seconds recovery. Come back. 10 seconds recovery. Okay. And next exercise is come to plank position. Open and close leg. 20 seconds. Very good. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Up. Very good. 10 seconds recovery. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay, last exercise is squat jumps. Okay, I will show you. Touch your toes and jump. Ready, start. 20 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Relax. Very good. Okay. Next we move to light stretchings. Okay. Come forward. Slowly go down. Very good. Okay. Relax. Leg forward. Slowly go and touch your toes and come back. 10 repetitions. Slightly hold and come back. Very good. Leg change. Okay, relax. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe so that you can get the latest notification of my videos. Thank you.